Welcome to I Wanna Lockpick, where today we're gonna be lockpicking. Here's some things worth knowing. Press escape to access pause and options menu. Game autosaves. In-game, yep. Out of the way, there we go. Let's see. Sound, colorblind, visual. Think we're ready. L.A. Watson presents a key made of light. I want a lockpick. Please select a file. Time. None yet. That just seems ominous. Hello, today I'd like to tell you a story about someone's journey to someplace special. That someone is this pleasant girl named Lily, who is currently waving at you. Say hi. Hi. Recently she's been wanting to get out of the house and do something fun, like breaking into people's houses. On this day, that something has made itself known. Lockpicking! Today she received an invitation from the Ambassador Society, which organizes events to unite normal people with the many gods. Oh yeah, just like somebody calls you. Who is this? Hey, it's the Ambassadors. Want to go meet some gods? Like, deal, I'm in. A local god by the name of Kina apparently just opened up an enrichment program of sorts, and Lily, who had recently signed for the Ambassadors Society waitlist and who lived nearby, was chosen to try it out. Waves goodbye to her wonderful housemate Marlin and sets off to see what this is all about. Hey, it's me! I think I see it up ahead. Looks like the map they gave me was functional. Jump. Double jump. Must be at least this high to enter. Must jump. Not this high to enter. That works for me. This is a fun looking building. I like the stars. Can I jump over it? No. We're going in. Hey look, it's a god. Hi. Hi, I'm here for this. Oh whoops. I was dilating time for a second there. I'm now here to... Oh hello, so this is Kina. Kina, I don't know. So, welcome and stuff. My name is, Kina, although my title is the God of Keys and Doors. I will be your guide for the next insert ambiguously long time period here. Nice to meet you, I'm Lily. You from around here? Yeah, it was only about a 30-minute walk. It was nice to see the trees. I can vibe with a nature appreciator. Oh, we got the good vibes going in here. Especially with, like, the stars and stuff. Do you know what we're going to be doing? I don't know. Enrichment program. You familiar with the notion of using keys to unlock doors? What? Using keys to unlock doors? Never heard of it. Yeah? Okay, good. That's the hard part covered. Oh, thank goodness. Today you will be solving puzzles based around that concept. I should have seen that coming. This whole engagement will basically be split into different worlds, which you will travel to between. Why is she sideways? When you solve enough puzzles in one world, you will get a special stone key. Oh, so it's like a video game. That was the harder part to explain, but seems like you got that covered, so we're all good. Seems pretty reasonable. How long will this take? Couple millennia. I don't know, baseline estimates probably a few days to solve every puzzle. To solve enough to reach an ending of sorts. Sounds like this is going to be quite a thing. It is certainly abundant in thingness. Anyways, a special room is being prepared for you to eat, sleep and relax while you spend time here. That's good. Obviously, I would appreciate the outcome where you do reach the end, but if you need to go for emergency reasons or just because you stop feeling it, you can do it. Good to know. Well, I think everyone's fine on my end. Let's go. Okay, cool, I will initiate the warp sequence now. And away we go! You're greeted by the sight of a strange forest. Seems that all sorts of strange sights and perhaps magical shenanigans may be in store for you. You're unsure just how much time you'll be spending here. Doesn't seem like there'll be any rush to finish it. Let's see what's going on here. It's the magical forest. Who are you? Oh. I'm just Kino, your friendly neighborhood god of keys and doors. Clunked your noggin pretty hard if you forgot. I didn't forget anything. I'm just engaging in some old-fashioned japery. Never mind. We're both here from the start, obviously. Right, this is a weird conversation. You're the one that asked my name even though you clearly know. It's another high-grade jape of mine, by the way. Nice to meet you. What am I doing here? Came down for the whole enrichment program. You're here for a lot of enriching. A honking lot of puzzles. Staircase-shaped teleporter. Solve puzzles. Stone door. More puzzles. When? Just solve whatever puzzles. New stuff will open. Feel free to ask again. Let's go. Personal space. Oh, so this is like my room. Let's see what the fridge has. Well now, this thing is full of curiosities. This is the strangest gadget. It's dispensing something. Oh, ice maker make. Free ice cream. I'm in. Bunch of bread and sandwich stuff. I can just press S to skip, that's helpful. Such a stylish bed. I'm bearing witness to a wonderful mountain of beanbags. That is a lot of beanbags. Oh, books. Books. Yep, sure, I'm looking at a bunch of book covers. Land of the... In a universe where humans have to fend for themselves. Fiction. Imagine living in a world without any gods. Writing flavor text for dummies. Oh my god. Wonders of the Heavenly Garden. Plant, tree, sticky note. Definitely this one. I mean, it's kinda in my house, so I think it counts. An infinite void of clocks. Let's not go there. And the magical tree. Beautiful tree. You can almost imagine sleeping. Wouldn't be comfortable. And an apple would fall on the head, and then you'd invent the theory of something. Relativity? I can't remember. Bonked my head too hard. No way is that the sound. Oh my god, it is the Baba Is You sound effect. Okay. World 1, Doorhaven. 1-1, keys and doors. Had to expect so. Welcome to the wonderful world of doors. Key, open, key, open, key, open, key, open. Yeah! Two of a kind. Obviously I want this one. Not that stupid. So Z to rewind and R to completely restart, but I didn't read all of that. Maybe I should read all of that. I'll just backspace to leave a level and come back to it later. That's helpful. Color search. I can find colors. So I need pink, which means I need purple. Double door. So if I take this, I open this, and I open that, that'll give me 2 white keys. with 2 white keys, I can open those 2, get another 2 keys, and I can do that. Yeah! All the way to the other side. Tunnels. Okay, so I need 2 white keys. I can get... So I need to get those 2 white key amount 1. Why do I need to know the amount? So I need to get these 2 white keys. So if I open this, I get that. That gives me that. That gives me this. Oh wait, no, if I... yeah. That'll give me another white key. Can open that. Give me 2 orange keys. Ooh, I see the problem here. Okay. Open this one first instead. How about that? Get this. Need to remember... Huh? I have a white key. Go all the way down here. Like that. There we go. Just had to find the doors where I could get another key from opening the door. 3 choices. Gulp. Now I could just... wait, no. Hang on, so... By opening one of these, it gives me the key back, so I don't have to worry. Go through there. So this one requires 2 cyan keys and 2 orange keys. I think that one's the most likely. So if I go through there, go through here. Oh. Boom, yes. Escort. Who are we escorting? Gulp. Run! I can run! This is incredible. So I need a pink and a purple to win. But there's only 1 purple. So I'll take this and not do anything with it. So those 2 are blocked out. So I just have to get a pink key. And the only pink key I can get is that one. So I'm gonna first do that. Give me another white key. Do one of these. Hang on. That'll give me one of these. Give me one of these. Give me a white key. And that'll give me one of these. And unlock. Thought I messed up there. But we're still in this. 1A, more than 3 choices. Like the sound of that. Uh-oh. Seems that just like before, there are several different paths you could take here. Okay. So, I need a pink key at the end. So I need 2 pink keys to get to the end. And I need 2 pink keys, 1 cyan. one cyan key and one white key. So I need 2 pink keys. First up, this entire row down here. Boo, we don't want that. Unless we go in there to grab an orange and then grab a purple. Because we can just go through the middle row instead. I go pink, purple. Swear I'm not colorblind. Hang on, no, because I need 2 pink keys. But I can't. If I just open up that and get them. Now I'm here and I have a purple key. So let me jump up. There we go. I'll get that. Now I only have a purple key. Ooh, I think I've come up with a rude awakening later down the line. Oh dear. Because I need to get that cyan key, but cyan key would give me an orange key. Hang on, let me keep going like this for a bit. Because then this cyan key will give me an orange key. That. I have a choice. Do I want... I need a pink key to keep progressing. That'll give me another orange. Yeah, I'm safe. Do I get an orange from this? Orange will give me a white key. But before I open that, I'm going to want to open up this to get another white key. Open up that, that'll give me the purple key. I did not run into a rude awakening down the lines. Take that. When? One 8 greater than 1, so 2. I wasn't wrong. 2. Uh-oh, maths time. So, need 6 white keys. I can get 4 there and 2 there. Or I rely on my extremely good math skills and don't win. Hang on, I just ran into that without planning. Okay, so how do I achieve 6 white keys? Because first I need to get both of those to get into there. But I can't get into there. 2... Yeah, so those are equal to 6 anyway. But I can't get enough. Because, wait, no, I literally didn't do anything that time. Because this is also equal. So this door, just don't open that door. I know, genius plan, right? Don't open that door. Still works. One 9. Count the locks. 24. 12. Count the locks. It's as simple as it sounds. Enable the simple locks option to turn everything into numbers. No. I'll play your silly little games. I'll play your silly little games. Let's see. 6, 7. That one's 9. That one's more than 9. This one is more than 9. like the genius I am. Did I walk through the bottom one even after saying... Did I walk through the bottom one even after saying that... Oh my god. Like the genius... Oh yeah. 110 Marketplace. Ooh, what are we buying? I'd like to buy something. Oh no. Could puzzle send you... Okay. So I need 6 white keys to win. So there's 8 white keys, and I need to get... By opening that one, that gives me a white key. By opening... By first, I only have 2 blues for now. But I could have another 2 if I open up that. Gonna do that. First up, that gives me 1. What? What did I do? Huh? Huh? What does that do? Can I draw? I don't think I want to draw a note. I didn't mean to click. Okay. First up, these ones are the exact same. I have none of those left. Oh wait. I don't like what I'm seeing. I have to use a white key to get the white key. No, that's just dumb. But is it wrong? That is an entirely different question. Because it's different words, that made it different question, okay? So, are we down to 1 more green? If I grab that. And if I go through there, I'll be down to 0 greens. And, yeah, that'll be it. 1. Perfect. There we go. When... One bee flower. That is certainly a lot of... Oh, but only one out of the 256 combinations is right. Okay. So... How many white doors are there? What one do I have the least of? The least pinks and oranges. But there's 4 that are orange. There has to be a better way to figure this out. I know there would be, but I'm just too dumb to be able to find out the better way. To get all the keys. First up, I'm gonna do that. So by doing that... So now, pink key, gonna, yes, since there's 2 oranges there, I have to go with this one. Oh, that's the better way to figure it out, isn't it? Just gotta use the idea of there's 2 for this one, so if I use all the keys on that, then I will die in real life. So 3 greens left. I'll use 1. Let's see. So I have 3 white keys left, and 3 of them are white key ones. So if I just... but I have 0 pinks left. And that's when he comes to the realization. Okay. This one needs a white, so I have to use a white on this. Oh, this is just complicated. Oh, my brain. My brain is good. In mud. This one needs a white, and this one needs a white. This one needs an orange, and this one needs an orange. So both of these need oranges, right? So first, oh my, genius of me. So yeah, first up I'm gonna have to do this one here. And since that one needs the orange, I can do this one here. And then, any others with orange? No. What am I down to 1 of anything else? I'm down to 1 pink. So one of these 2 has to be the pink one I do. But both of them are pink and white. Could I? But can I? Because I either need 2 greens or 2 purples. But I need a purple for this one. Is there any others that I need one for? Like, I know I need a white for that one. I only have 1 pink left. This one needs a white, and this one needs a white. But if I go for the... So if I go for the 1 white on that door, I'll have -1 green. If I go for that one for the last orange, that'll also be -1 green. So we'll be down to only 1 green. I should be doing this with the purples because I need a purple for that one. If I do that, this will be -1 green as well, but it'll also be -1 purple, but I have more white, so who knows? I didn't expect to die, like, mentally today, but here we are. There's none where I have to use a pink, though. But it has to be one of these 2 where I use the pink, right? But which one is it? Do I need a green somewhere? I don't need a green anywhere, but I only have 3 greens left. I have to use a... It says 5 with green left. So I have to use a green on 1 of the 5. Nope, 3 of the 5, I mean. Unless I use it on this one. Like, everything is melting. Okay, if I use the 1 pink and the 1 white, that'll put me down to 3 whites. Then I'll have that. Then I have to use the purple. Then I have to use the purple and the green on this, which would put me down to two purples and 2 greens. Why don't I just test it instead of going, so if I do this, I will need to do this. Let me just, so that one will give me, that'll put me down to 2, but since I have 2 purples, I have to use that, because then I'd have to use the 2 greens to get that. Means I have 0 greens left, which means I just have to do the not greens. Please be a white and purple left. Guess who? It ain't white or purple. Bing, bing, bing. Okay. Back to the part where we plan for a bit. Which one am I going to use an orange on? If I use an orange on that one, it'll be -1 green and we do the whole minus green thing again. Hang on. Since there's only 6 left, it's only 2 to the power of 6 options left. Or... let me quickly, give me a sec. 4, 8, 16, 32, 16... It's a 1 in 64 chance, like, come on, this is easy. I just get that 1 in 64 chance. Like, come on, Blatt, you've got this. Yep, there definitely has to be a better way to figure this out. But my little brain is melted, as we've discussed many times before. It's not like there's one where I have to use... There's not 2 where I have to use a purple. There's... I'm gonna use this. Which means then, to use the pink, I'd have to use the pink on there. Which means then I'd have to use this on here. Which means I'd have to use a green on here. Which means I'd have to use a purple on here. 1 in 64 chance, baby. Look at my god tier luck. We're in. Pentacolor pattern. Ooh, fabulous. Oh dear, looking at all these keys and doors. I still see the doors have matching keys in front of them. Oh, it's all about the first one that matters. Okay, so... if I go to the end of the path, I get another one of that. So first up, I want 2 purples, right? So let me just grab 2 purples. It's not going to be as easy as this, but I might as well hope. Now, I hope you are too seeing the problem here. Get one pink from here, and I get another white. That'll give me another pink from here, meaning I can open this, giving me another 2 pinks. And meaning I can open up this. If I do this, I can get another light blue. And I can open up this. Gives me the 2 light blues, meaning I can open up this, giving me another 2 light blues, meaning I can open up this, and this, giving me this, hang on, what did I do? And this. It was as easy as that. Or I just guessed. Again. Oh, you have new things to tell me. Stone key! I got myself my first stone key. Nicely done. That idea seems pretty basic, just keys and doors is fine by me. Yeah, it's gonna get more complicated. Great. Okay. What is over here? Oh, there's a 6 key door. Rainy. Well, next time we'll be playing this world. Goodbye.